This is the E-stop. It's separate from the stop over here. This is the raising and the lowering of the blade, of the table, and this is the start and stop of the machine. Okay, these first. I have one with a down arrow, one with an up arrow. The arrows tell me which way the table's moving. When the table's moving down, is the piece getting bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger. I'm changing the space between the table and the blades. So this will confuse some people. So if I want to go to 1 inch, I will hit this one, and you see it comes up. If you listen and watch closely, if I hold it for the first 3 seconds, it moves slowly, and then after that it speeds up.